Welcome to where I explain Forex in a very simplified way. And this is our first lesson. And in this lesson, the objective of this lesson is for you to be able to understand what Forex trading is. You will know how currency trading works, and you'll be familiar with the MT5 trading platform. And you should also be able to place basic demo trades confidently by the end of this lesson. So let's just go right into it. Okay, so what is Forex? Forex, the full meaning of Forex is foreign exchange. It's the global market where currencies are exchanged. So in forex trading, one currency is bought and another currency is sold. So it's the selling and buying of currencies. And how do you make profit or loss? Profit or loss comes from price movement. So you're saying that this currency, this currency's value will increase and the currency value increases. So you make profit. You make loss when you say, okay, this the value of this currency will increase and the value of that currency drops. So that and vice versa. That's how it works. So Forex is the largest financial market in the world. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. You can research it. Um, in the forex market, over $6.6 trillion is traded daily. Daily, over $6.6 trillion. So you can take as much as you want from the financial market. And the forex market opens 24 hours, 5 days in a week. Trading is conducted electronically through electronic communication network, which is ECN, in various markets across the globe. What does this mean? It means that there is no one physical office or place for the forex market. So don't allow anybody to deceive you, tell you that we have a global market, a global forex market office at Abuja or Ikeja, Lagos, or maybe in the United States. So you should not allow anybody, don't allow anybody deceive you. Don't allow anybody deceive you. So what's the next thing? Next thing here is tradable markets. So yes, I said that foreign exchange is where we sell and buy currency, but the forex market provides access to multiple markets. The forex platform provides access to multiple markets, and the multiple markets include currency pairs, which I just explained, which is foreign exchange. And under these currency pairs, we have US dollar as a currency, we have euro, we have pounds, the GPP, that's pounds, we have CHF, that's Swiss franc rather, we have AUD, that's Australian dollar, we have Canadian dollar, we have New Zealand dollar, we have Japanese yen, we have so many currencies, but these are the major ones. And in the Forex platform, the other multiple markets, we have energy, we have commodities like silver, gold, oil, we have stock, indices, cryptocurrencies. So by yourself, so that you can have deep knowledge and understanding of this market, these different markets in the financial market. That's the forex platform that's the different markets that forex platform provides. So you should go and search the pairs under these assets. What are under these assets? For energy, I already give you example of commodities. I said silver, gold, oil. So search for energy, search for commodities, search for more currency pairs, search for stock indices, cryptocurrencies. So you should, as a beginner, if you're just starting your forex journey, trade only forex pairs before you start exploring other markets. We will talk more on this later, but let's go to uh, our next screen, which is this. So in the forex market, we have different business hours, and the foreign exchange trading follows global business hours. And we have major trading sessions, like we have the ASEAN session, we have the London session, we have the New York session. So by yourself, go and make research. Okay, what time is ASEAN session? What time does ASEAN session start? What time does London session start? And what time does New York session start? And the highest market activity occurs during the London and New York sessions, especially when they overlap. So that's your next assignment. I just hope you're writing them down. You should have a book, you should have a Forex journal where you write your Forex, just not just your Forex journey, but everything you're learning about Forex. And that's where you put your assignment. You can also send your assignment to me. I'll explain. You can ask me, I'll explain how you should submit your assignment. Currency pairs. So remember we said foreign exchange is it has to do with selling and buying of currencies. So yeah, we have currency pairs. And what makes a pair? Two currencies make a pair. For example, we have euro and US dollar. The explanation is the first currency, which is euro, is the base currency, and the second currency, which is US dollar, we call it the quote currency. So you are trading one against the other. So trading a pair means you are predicting which currency will be stronger or weaker. You are predicting which currency will be stronger or weaker. So if you are trading euro USD, you are saying that um euro will be weaker than US dollar, or euro will be stronger than US dollar. So the next one is pips. Pips means price movement. So a pip measures price movement in Forex. It is used to define the change in value between two currencies, and it's reference for Forex traders to communicate the difference. It's reference for Forex traders to communicate the difference. Price moving in your direction means you're making profits, and price moving against you means you are making loss. So in Forex community, as Forex traders, you are communicating and like, okay, gold did 1,000 pips today, or USD JPY did 100 or 500 pips today. So we explain more on pips, how are calculated later in our lesson. And the next one here is lot size, which is trade size. So in the Forex market, Forex is traded in specific units called lot. Lot means volume, and it is the quantity of financial assets one can buy or sell at any given time in the market. Lot size determines how large a trade is. It is the number of units of the base currency that you can buy and sell at any time. So yeah, I said that the financial market is very large. So how you know the quantity that you are buying in the financial market or you're selling is by lots. It's calculated in lot sizes. And we have different types of lots. We have the standard lot, which is one volume, and for this standard lot, it gives you $10 per pip or $10 per pip, like that. For mini lots, we have it. The volume is 0.10, and it gives you $1 per pip. And the micro lot, which is the least lot that you are allowed to use. Though we have the, I think, nano lot size, but MT5 platform will not allow you use that lot size. So the least you can use on MT5 platform is 0.01, which is the micro lot size. And for this 0.01, it gives you 0.10 per pip. So how is lot size calculated? Lot size are calculated by risk amount, the amount you are willing to lose, divided by pips, divided by 10. Okay, so the next one here is leverage. What is leverage? Leverage is the amount of money lent to you by your broker for business. Leverage allows traders to control larger positions using a smaller amount of capital. So when you cannot, I have just $100, on $50, $500, you cannot go into the financial market. Remember, I said over $6.6 trillion is traded daily in the forex market. So with that your small capital, you can't trade in the forex market. So your broker lends you an amount which is called leverage for you to be able to trade with. And don't think you can, if you are losing, you will lose their money. No, it's your own capital, it's your own money that you will lose if there's any losses, if there's any loss. Important notes: leverage increases market exposure. So the more you leverage, the more you are exposed to the market. Both profits and losses are amplified. So the more you can make profit is the more, if the market go against you, you make losses. What is margin? Margin is the amount of money that a trader needs to put forward in order to place a trade and maintain a position. So margin is different from your capital. So imagine that you funded $100 in your MT5 account. By the way, MT5 is our trading platform. It's where we place our trades. If you are new to forex, so margin is not your capital, like I was saying, is the amount of money that you are putting forward to place that position, to place that trade you are about to enter. Okay, so like I was explaining, we have buy and sell prices, which is called bid and ask. So buy, which is ask, is entering the market expecting price to rise. Buy, which is ask, is entering the market expecting the price to rise. And sell, which is bid, is entering the market expecting price to fall. So the difference between buy, which is the ask price, and sell, which is the bid price, is known as spread. How is this calculated? How do you get this? So for each trade, the broker charges you, and what your charge is calculated as spread. Whatever the broker is charging you is calculated as spread. So how do you get the spread? Is by, do you remember I said the base currency and the 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 quote currency, the base currency and the quote currency. So the base currency is your ask price and the quote currency is your bid price. So from those two prices, the way the broker calculates is imagine for the base currency is that's the ask price is 1.053. The the quote currency, which is the bid price, is 1.1051. So when you subtract this, it gives you 2 pips, which is called the spread. So it represents the cost of trading. Like I explained, that is what the broker charges you. Though it differs by different brokers, right? As you start using the trading platform, you get to understand this better. And like I said, we have trading platforms. We have trading platforms like MT5, that's MetaTrader 5. And in these trading platforms, we have demo accounts and live accounts. So for this section, I will do a screen record on my phone and attach it to this. So you should be expecting, when you just get to this part, you should be expecting to watch a screen record for my phone. So I'll do that and send out to show you how this works, how to open an MT5 trader account, how to open your own broker account, because your broker account where you fund your money is different from your meta trading trader 5. Okay, we come to the end of this class. Remember I said I'm going to do a screen record of how to use meta 5 and how to use your broker account. So when you watch that, you should install your own MT5 if you're not. Then open a trading account, identify two major currency pairs, and remember the other assignment I gave, which I said you should check the pairs. I said you should check the pairs under multiple assets. And I gave another assignment. I said you should check the times what time. I need to check the time that each session opens. Each session, that's each trading session open, and submit your assignment to me. All right, thank you. And I will record lesson 2 so that I extracted it from this lesson so that we can make it very short. You won't get overwhelmed. So as you are done with one lesson, you do the assignment, submit, and do the other lesson and do the assignment and submit to me. Thank you so much and enjoy yourself.